How are you, my friends? Welcome back to Cars with Luis. So in this video I want to compare two cars, the F8 Tributo and the 48 Pista. For those of you who didn't know, the 48 GTB was replaced by the F8 Tributo in a stunning new mid-engine sports car. You're gonna love this video, guys. Well, I hope you guys do. Please enjoy. I just want to let you know all these cars are modified, okay? Matching the 48 Pista on performance, the Ferrari F8 Tributo represents a step up from the 48 GTB like I told you guys earlier in this video. So, the powertrain, guys, 3.9 liter twin turbo V8 paired with a 7-speed DCT, okay? Now, the horsepower, everyone's favorite thing, 720 horsepower at 8,000 RPMs. So, this is pretty quick if you think about it. Torque, 568 pounds-feet torque at 3,250 RPM. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this car is not a joke. The F8 Tributo has a top speed of 211 miles per hour. Okay, that's freaking fast. From 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. And then from 0 to 124 miles per hour in 7.9 seconds. This thing is wicked fast. The 48 Pista is a twin turbocharged 3.9 liter V8 engine, and it generates a whopping 700 horsepower, guys, with 567 pounds of feet torque, which is a freaking rocket ship. This is stock, okay? So now, when you add more horsepower, when you tune it, and you add an exhaust, you drive the suspension, and you make it look sexy, and you make it look fierce, this Ferrari is out of this planet. You guys know that. Alright, here comes a 458 Speciale, which is another amazing Ferrari, one of a kind. And then there is the 48 Pista. I want to say these are two different shades of yellow, but I'm not sure. Can you guys help me out with that? If you guys know the answer, please drop a comment below. But look how sexy these two cars look together. The purpose of the 48 Pista, and Pista means track in English, okay, was to fill in that thirst of speed for all those track enthusiast Ferrari owners that wanted to take their skills to another level. Okay, this car will do 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds. That's almost as fast as the McLaren 720S, but the Lamborghini Huracan Evo is still faster. Okay, well, again, Lamborghini, Ferrari, you know, they always had that whole controversy of who's better, who's faster, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Who cares? right, let's break it down because these two cars are very similar to each other, okay? Both have a 3.9 liter twin turbo V8, okay? The 488 Pista has 710 horsepower. The F8 Tributo has 720 horsepower. Both have 568 pounds-feet torque. Both have a top speed of 211 miles per hour. Now, this is where the differentiality comes in, and it's so impressive, man. Check this out. The 488 Pista, top speed 0 to 60, 2.9 seconds. The F8 Tributo, top speed 0 to 60, 2.8 seconds. Making the 488 Pista much lighter than the F8 Tributo. The 488 Pista weighs right around 2,800 pounds, and the F8 Tributo weighs 2,900 pounds. So, 100-pound difference. That's freaking impressive. I guess at the end of the day, guys, these are great, amazing freaking cars, and I guess it's up to the consumer. One has a little bit more advanced technology than the other one, and one is fastest by a small margin, by like a 0.5 second. It's crazy. So I guess at this point, what would you take? The 488 Pista or the Ferrari F8 Tributo? Drop a comment, guys. Thanks for watching.
Hey. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh. Yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra.